Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something just a little bit different. I'm cleaning the house. You can sit back, relax, watch it, grab a coffee, or clean along with me. So I don't know if anyone else does this, but I always literally just shove the sheet into the baseboard of the bed or the footboard. My boyfriend calls me a Neanderthal for not properly tucking it in, but honestly, I always kick my feet out at night and it is way too much of a hassle to actually tuck it into the mattress. Quick mom hack for when you really need a good cleaning day but have a baby. I always keep at least a couple stuffed animals in the corner so that he has something to play with, and it just makes everything easy. And I pretty much have one of those in like every single room. Living room cleaning day always takes me the longest. I think it's mostly because of all the laundry I have to do. I always keep a laundry basket right there on the chair behind me while I'm cleaning the living room, and then I just kind of throw everything in there as I go, because this is the main like baby occupying room. So I have to throw in like his crib sheets, blankets, the I want to say tablecloth. No, they're not tablecloths. The placemats. And there's blankets on the floor and the couch cover, and there's just so much living room laundry. So this might sound a little excessive or like it's more work than it's worth, but every single time he takes a nap or is like sitting at the table to eat, having a snack, I will pick up all of his toys and reorganize them. It makes him a little happier because then he can re-destroy the living room every time I put him down for play. But I just find it so much easier, especially at the end of the day, to do the big pickup because it's not scattered all over the place like it would be if I just let it go all day. The biggest weird problem I have in this nursery is that for some reason butt cream literally gets on everything. So anytime I clean in here, I have to go through with a baby wipe and get all of the butt cream off of literally everything. So I'm going to leave this clean with me here. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I'll have another Sunday motivation up next Sunday. We will see you in the next one.